LightWerks began with the simple idea that effective communications are a basic human need, and that everyone wants to look good. But beyond this, they want their technology to be easy as pie to use, perfectly reliable, and they want to share their ideas in venues that are as impressive as their message. Hi, I'm Dave Ribery, the owner of LightWerks, and since 1996, we've collaborated with customers, design professionals, and construction companies to put the human touch on world-class communication systems for conference rooms, classrooms, medical facilities, command and control centers, and anywhere people collaborate, teach, present, or consult. And with cloud-based offerings, LightWerks can open up rooms to allow collaboration by participants around the table, working from home or around the world. From our company headquarters in Los Angeles to our offices in San Diego and the San Francisco Bay Area, we serve all of California and the Pacific Northwest, from our offices in Boise, Portland, and Eastern Washington. We offer consultation, design, installation and project management, programming, training, and maintenance services to take care of your communication needs from A to V. Please reach out to our team to learn how we can make you and your messages look good. Our goal isn't to make you just a satisfied customer, but a fan for life. Please give us a chance to show you how.